Today we're going to be working on a 1972 Cutlass. We're putting a sway bar link I got in for Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. So yeah, we're putting a UMI sway bar and links in, so yeah, watch the video. So first we gotta take off these bolts, and then these guys, and then she will come off and we gotta put the new stuff on. Alrighty guys, what we got so far. This one's out. Loosen both of those, both sides. Yeah, so just to the other side now. Alright, just got this guy out. Damn, look at that. Jesus, look at this. Definitely gonna make a huge difference, that's for sure. Not bad. So right here, I'm checking the fitment for the tie rod linkages with the wheel and the sway bar, because it's really close because how much thicker the new sway bar is, and the steering rack. So as you can see, it's super close. Every time you turn the wheel, I just wanted to make sure it was going to turn all the way without having any issues. As you see right there, that was super close. I'd actually adjust that a little bit, just loosen up the bolts and just pound it in just a little bit, which can affect toe. Yeah, baby, in. Like